Flux 2 can match colors between images, replace objects in a scene, support up to 10 reference images, and do a lot more. In this video, we'll install it, wire it cleanly in ComfyUI, and get you generating your own images. I'm releasing a full how-to guide next, so subscribe now so you don't miss it. If you're a Patreon member, you can load my advanced Flux 2 workflow directly. If not, I'll show you the important parts so you can build your own version from scratch. I'm assuming you already have ComfyUI installed locally or on RunPod. If not, watch my install video first. Now, we need 3 model files. The Flux 2 checkpoint, which goes into the diffusion modules folder, the text encoder, which goes into the text_encoders folder, and the VAE, which goes into the VAE folder, all linked below in the description. If you have my custom workflow, just drag and drop it onto the canvas and install any missing nodes or models when ComfyUI prompts you. Once it finishes, restart ComfyUI and refresh your browser tab so everything loads correctly. Right now, the graph probably looks like a spaghetti mess. We're going to clean this up so it's easy to read. Open the settings menu, go to Light Graph, and change Link Render Mode to Hidden. Now, all the wires are still connected, but they are hidden, and the workflow becomes much easier to understand on screen. Let's start with the Models block. On the left, you can see a simple folder map that shows where the Flux 2 files live. On the right, these 3 nodes actually load those files. Load Diffusion Model is pointed at the Flux 2 checkpoint. Load Clip is pointed at the Mistral text encoder, and Load VAE is pointed at flux2-vae.safetensors. If your files are in the correct folders, you'll see these options in the dropdowns. If a model does not appear here, check the path, restart ComfyUI, and refresh the page. Next is the prompt and sampler block. This green node is the positive prompt. A simple template that works well is who the subject is, where they are, what they are doing, and the style. For example, man from reference image 1, in the jungle from reference image 2, wearing the outfit from reference image 3, in the pose from reference image 4, cinematic realistic photo. That sentence tells Flux 2 exactly how to combine your references. The prompt feeds into Flux guidance, which controls CFG, or guidance strength. A value around 3 to 4 is a good starting point. Lower values let the model improvise more. Higher values push it closer to your exact words. All of that flows into this sampler group. Inside here we have a random noise node to start the image, a Flux 2 scheduler that controls the denoising steps, a sampler selection node, and the main sampler custom advanced node that pulls everything together. For this tutorial, I'm using 50 steps. Down here is the image size block. These set width and height, and this node creates an empty Flux 2 latent at that resolution. For my renders, I'm using 1920 by 1088 at batch size 1. If you are on a smaller GPU, drop the resolution. For example, 1280 by 720 to reduce VRAM usage. Also, it's worth noting that Flux 2 can generate at 4K scale or up to 4 megapixels. At the top left, we have the bypass switches. This uses the Fast Groups bypasser from the rgthree extension. You can install rgthree directly from the ComfyUI manager. The note for this section is simple. Turn on only the reference images you want to use. Any reference set to no is bypassed and does not affect the render or use VRAM. So if you are only using 4 references, you enable slots 1 through 4 and keep 5 through 10 off. These switches just make the graph safer and easier to work with, especially once you start stacking multiple references. Across the top, we have up to 10 reference image columns. These slots are not locked to any specific role. They are just generic reference inputs. What matters is that your prompt matches the numbers you use here. As long as the numbers in your prompt match the slots you filled, Flux 2 knows how to blend them correctly. You can also use the later slots for things like logos, color palettes, product shots, or extra reference scenes. Let's run one quick example so you can see the workflow in action. In reference image 1, I've loaded a portrait of the character's face. In reference image 2, I've loaded a jungle path background. In reference image 3, I've loaded an adventure outfit. In reference image 4, I've loaded a running pose sketch. My prompt says, man from reference image 1, in the jungle from reference image 2, wearing the adventure outfit from reference image 3, in the running pose and camera angle of reference image 4, cinematic realistic photo, sharp high-resolution face, detailed lighting. All the necessary reference slots are enabled in the bypass switches. And now I just press Q prompt. And here is the result. Face from reference 1, environment from reference 2, clothing from reference 3, pose from reference 4, all inside a single Flux 2 render, fully local and fully controllable inside ComfyUI. This is why I call Flux 2 the open code image generator winner of 2025. At this point, you have Flux 2 installed, the models in the right folders, and a clean workflow wired inside ComfyUI that can handle up to 10 reference images. You know where to load the models, where to type your prompt, how to set image size, how the sampler works, and how to enable or bypass each reference slot. In the next video, I'm going much deeper into how to use Flux 2 well. Prompt patterns for consistent characters, using multiple references for outfits and locations, color matching and palette control, and more advanced editing examples using this same graph. So subscribe now so you don't miss that video when it drops. If you want to skip rebuilding this workflow by hand, my advanced Flux 2 graph, the model folder map, and ready-to-paste download commands are available for Patreon members, along with access to the Discord where we share setups and results. For now, you are ready to start generating your own Flux 2 images in ComfyUI. Load a few references, write a clear prompt that matches your slots, press run, and see what you can create.